Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Instagram without signing in. Did you know you can actually browse some Instagram content without creating an account? It's a simple trick using your mobile browser. Open Safari on iPhone or Chrome on Android and search for the Instagram profile you want to view. For example, you can type a person's name followed by Instagram in the search bar. Once the results appear, press and hold one of the Instagram links and open it in a new tab. This helps bypass the login prompt that sometimes appear when opening the site directly. After the page loads, you'll be able to view the profile and scroll through photos or posts that are publicly available. You can tap on individual images to see them more clearly and browse the profile like a visitor. Just keep in mind that this method only works for public accounts since private profiles require you to log in before viewing any content. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.